Oh, that's fun. Here she goes. Secret what? An elevator?
Yeah.
Be the dad. Pretty fast. Georgia, let's go. Hey everyone, it's Kate from Wild Tales Of. If you're new, welcome here on YouTube and on my blog wildtalesof.com. We share about family travel and outdoor adventure. So today we are in the Georgetown neighborhood of Seattle. So kind of a fun story, when we were doing one of our walks, afternoon walks around our neighborhood, the kids always love to stop in the little free libraries, and we actually found a little card stack of city walks in Seattle. So it's 50 different walks in Seattle, just different neighborhoods throughout the city. So we grabbed that deck of cards, and as you know, if you watch our channel, we are big on taking lots of walks, and so we thought it would give us some more ideas and some more interesting things to check out. So within the deck there's 50 different walks, and so right now we are, and I'll link that below, I can't remember if I said this, but it's a little on the older side, so some of the businesses that are mentioned are going to be closed, unfortunately, but it still kind of gives you an idea and a little bit of a layout and just a base to go from. So we are in the Georgetown neighborhood.
Look in there.
This is totally blown glass, not open, but it's totally cool to look inside.
Pedro, we should go down here.
We actually come to Georgetown quite a bit, but this little walking tour is just giving us some new things to check out, which is really cool. This is not on the official tour, but this is the Georgetown Trailer Park, one of our favorite places to visit. Also not on the tour is the fact that Georgetown has a lot of breweries, including Georgetown Brewery. We are also headed to another one of our favorites, which is, we recently discovered thanks to this whole pandemic. It's called Jellyfish. Another one to check out is Machine House, but what's different about Machine House, Slade?
Cast.
It's cast, which means what?
No bubbles.
No bubbles, which isn't really my favorite. So, although we appreciate Machine House, we are going to head to Jellyfish right now. So we will show you when we get there. And all three of those breweries I just mentioned are all family, kids friendly, and dog friendly. Hey Slade, what's next on the tour?
Georgetown Records.
All right.
Also, we're going to Fantagraphics.
And what's Fantagraphics?
They actually, it's a comic book store, but they also make their own comic books too.
Neat.
And I'm going to All City Coffee.
At Fantagraphics.
It's Mickey Mouse too.
Wow.
And then guess what?
What?
I found this in the half price rooms. Guess why it was half price?
Why?
Just because of this.
Just because it had a little dent in it.
Yeah. There's nothing wrong with
And
this.
who do you recommend to talk to?
To Larry.
Talk
He's
to
the guy
Larry.
to check out.
He's super nice and knowledgeable, right?
Yeah, Larry.
Thanks, Larry. So we have one last Georgetown spot to show you, and it's not on the list. Here it is. It's the Hat and Boots. Oxbow Park, and the Hat and Boots used to be part of a gas station that was here in the Georgetown neighborhood, and then that gas station was going to go out of business. I think it was a gas station and like mechanics shop, and somehow the city was able to grab that Hat and Boots and save it and create a park out of it, or put it into the park. They wanted to keep it in the neighborhood and not just necessarily a museum. So I can't do this story justice. You should just look up Hat and Boots Seattle and read all about it, because it is an amazing story about how they saved the Hat and Boots, and part of it was a restroom, how they saved it and moved it 4 blocks to the Seattle Park in order to restore it and just keep it as a part of Seattle's history. We're gonna call it a day from our Georgetown walk and tour. Thanks so much for joining us. If you happen to be watching this and you know anything else special, or you live in Georgetown neighborhood, or you live in Seattle and you have something special to share, make sure to leave a comment below.
Thanks for watching. We hope you are staying happy and healthy, and we hope you are getting out and having a brave, wild adventure. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.